18,933. Yan yung tax due natin. But yung sa next natin is ilalagay pa natin yung mga payments natin and our CWT or the 2307. So let's proceed with the tax credits and the payments. So prior years excess credits, ayan, if ano kayo before, in yung 2024 ninyo, if ever may excess credits kayo, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung, for example, mas malaki yung na-withhold na tax sa inyo or may overpayment kayo, ayan, pwede yung i-claim yan as excess credits. So, in our example, wala tayong excess credits. Ayan, so zero lang yan. And then, tax payments natin for the first 3 quarters. So, again, kaya nga kailangan natin i-save yung ating mga proof of payment so that may figure tayong ilalagay dito. So, check natin yung ating Excel file. So, ito yung payment natin actually is the 6,515. Nung third quarter, may tax due na tayo and we paid itong 6,515. So, ito yung figure na ilalagay natin, 6,515. 6,515 payment natin. Previous quarter sa first, second, and the third. And then, number 59 natin is yung CWT or the 2307 for the first 3 quarters. So, i-add natin yung first, second, and the third. You can actually get yung figure din ito sa ating finalong third quarter. But mas maigi talaga na yung based dun sa 2307 na file natin, yun yung gagawin natin na basis, yung isa-summarize natin yun. So, for the first 3 quarters yung hanap na ito. So, balik tayo sa ating Excel file. So, ito yung CWT 2307 natin ng first quarter. Ayan. And then the second quarter. And then the third quarter. So, yung total ng tatlo yan, first 3 quarters kayong hinahanap is, kita nyo, 1,554.78. So, i-round up natin. So, the figure is 1,555. So, 1,555. And then, for our fourth quarter naman, so balik tayo sa Excel. Fourth quarter natin is 601.74. Again, i-round up natin. That is 602. 602. And then, tax paid in return previously filed. Kung amended return to, so hindi to amended return. So, zero lang yan. Foreign tax credits, zero lang din yan. Other tax credits or payments, again, in most cases, zero din yan. So, our total tax credits and payments is 8,672. So, ito yung previous payment natin and our 2307. So, yan yung ima-minus natin sa tax due. Ayan, 18,933. And i-less natin itong payment and the credits na 8,672. So, yung net taxable or payment natin is 10,261. So,